Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change app drawer background on Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Xiaomi first introduced the much-awaited app drawer in the MIUI launcher back in November. At the time, the feature was only available to MIUI 11 users in China. And don't you know that you can change your app drawer background on your phone? So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, you can open up your app drawer like this. Now you can open the settings by tap on the up right corner, the gear icon on here. You can see there is an option background. You can tap on that. It's set to auto. You can choose if you want to use the light background or the dark background. I would choose light, maybe for the example. You can also apply the background transparency. You can make it like this over 100%. You can tap on apply. So it will turn out like this. Or maybe you want change like this. It turns out like this. So simple, right? You can change your background. You can customize your app drawer background anytime you want. So simple, right? So that is how to change app drawer background on Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!